Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add boarding pass to Apple Wallet. In order to do this, you just have to launch your Apple Wallet mobile application. Now once you are on this page, if you tap on this plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, you will be landed on this add to wallet page, where unfortunately you will not be able to see any of the options that would allow you to add the boarding pass into your Apple Wallet. So in this situation you have two options. So whenever you purchased your ticket, you must have received an email. So you just have to open that email, and there you will be able to see the add to wallet button. That button will look something like this. So you need to tap on add to Apple Wallet, and then you need to follow further on screen instructions in order to add it in your Apple Wallet account. The second method that you can use is you can simply open that particular application from which you have purchased your ticket, and there you will be able to see this type of add to Apple Wallet button. So you just have to tap on it, and then you need to follow further on screen instructions in order to add it in your Apple Wallet. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.